And so have attorneys been suing a lot of accountants?
You know what? Attorneys have been suing a lot of accountants. As an expert witness, my side has never lost, and I've defended some accountants, and we've won. We've actually won because there are ways to beat the lawsuits.
In the same case?
I can't beat it on both sides. Although, interestingly enough, I've been called on similar cases for the defendants and for the plaintiffs. But there are ways to win, and there are ways to lose that most attorneys don't understand.
And then, so what happens with these cases? How are they won or lost?
There's the defense is normally, and you're normally suing the insurance company. The defense, because they had the deep pockets, the defense is normally the client signed a disclaimer. When they went into these plans, they signed a disclaimer saying they'd get their own tax advice. Mm-hmm. So that's a nice defense, right? Mm-hmm. The offense is this disclaimers are fraudulent. The insurance companies knew that there were problems with these plans, yet they failed to advise. They knew there were problems with these plans. They failed to advise the client, and all they did was gave them a disclaimer to sign so that when the client had a problem and they tried to sue the insurance company would say, you signed a form saying you get your own tax advice.
Right.
I mean, that's the way that you attack, and that's the way that you defend. And there have been a lot of these cases dismissed on summary judgment based on these arguments, and there have been a lot of cases won based on the arguments that the insurance companies knew there were problems, they knew what was going on. There was IRS Notice 9534, which came out in 1995 on some of these plans saying they were abusive, so the insurance companies certainly knew what was going on. They failed to tell their client. They got the client to sign some fraudulent disclaimer saying the client would get their own advice. Well, that doesn't do it, especially when a judge looks at a prior deposition from a home office employee of an insurance company where he says, well, we knew there was a problem, but.
Right.